Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. Now I am little bit better. So today we are going to do question number 2, that is worksheet 2 question number 2, and definitely you can see over there it is chapter 10 and definitely class 7. So today we are going to do question number 2 of worksheet 2. So in this worksheet I have already explained you, already discussed that it is all about side, angle, side, but definitely that angle is included angle. And how to find the included angle? There is a trick. You can see my previous video, you can get it. So if you want to see that video, if you need that video, so what to do? Just simply go to my playlist, go and check over there, you will get it. Or the simplest way, that above I button, yeah, you can see that there you can get this. So chalo, let's start. Hello everyone, do you remember how to construct 120-degree angle with the help of compass only? So let us show you first that how to draw 120-degree angle. After that I am going to solve this sum. Okay, again you can see before that, if you have seen my previous video, you know already what is included angle. Can you see that? Chalo, let us show you a rough work first, that how to do it, because what we are going to do, this is, I have to show you, this is our isosceles triangle. So in this triangle, we are suppose this is so this one A, B, C, according to the figure you can see AB and AC are equal, so these two are equal length, that is 3 cm, and this one is also 3 cm. Okay, now what they have told, that A angle should be 120 degree. According to my figure it is not 120 degree, so it is 120 degree, but I have to show you one thing, that you can see A, B, C, in this AB and AC given, so A is the included angle. See, common letter, English letter A, so is the included angle, and that one given. So by which property we can prove that this is a, by which congruent property we can construct this, that SAS, because A is the included angle given and two side and one included angle. Okay, so there only I am going to show you how to directly, actually I am going to do, because 120 degree no need to do the copied angle. Acha, suppose in this class, first of all one thing I have to clear you, class 7 standard na, you can do it this one by copied angle also. Okay, means using protector you can draw it, but beta in higher class you have to learn 120 degree how to construct. So it is a known angle, so we should practice from the junior class. So from means now, so first draw a ray. Okay, all of you draw it, and it is better to do with me. Ray I have told na. So now I am going to draw a ray. So let us start from there. Enough, this is more than enough actually. Now actually you can see this type of triangle will be there, means this type of triangle will come. So this, if I take A, B, C, that one na 120 degree. Okay, so from there I have to draw 120 degree angle. And one more thing I have to say, AB equals to AC, that means this length are same, so this should be 3 cm, this should be 3 cm, I have to cut. Okay, and then I have to join. After that, draw bisector of angle, it is told. Then after that I am going to explain. It should be that bisector of the angle na, that should be like this. Means this means how to bisect, that you have done in class 6, though again I will show you, but it is like this. This figure, actual figure is like this. Okay, so let us do this. From there, this point I have to draw 120 degree angle first. Don't think anything, just draw over here 120 degree angle. So take any radius, okay, and draw for 60 degree angle. All of you remember how to draw 60 degree angle? If you have not remember, see it, you will understand that how to draw 60 degree angle. So from this point, how to draw 60 degree angle, if you don't remember,
see it, you can understand this one. Now taking same radius, don't change the measurement, taking same, again cut. So what I have done from this point, suppose this is A, at the point A I am going to draw 120 degrees, so this is A. So at the point A I have to cut any radius which intersect the ray, so that where it is intersect, from this point again I have to cut, taking same radius like 2.9 I have taken, again I have to cut. This is 60 degree. So if you repeated this process 2 times, one time if you did this, you will get 60 degree. 2 times means 60 plus 60, 120 degree. So one time I have done, if I'll join A and this vertex A and this point, you will get 60 degree. So 2 times if you did this, you will get 120 degree angle. So now A and this point I have to join and extend. Okay, with the help of scale it is better to do. Adjust the scale here properly and join. So from the point A I have to join, there it is. It is 120 degree. Can you see that? Now if you measure it, now you will get 120 degree. Now what to do? From this is what? This is what? 3 centimeter, and that one is also what? 3 centimeter. So I have to cut with the help of compass and scale. Scale and compass. I have to show you, that is, it is 3 centimeter. Put at 0, and you can draw it separately. Okay, see, 3 centimeter. Can you see that? Now put the compass at A, that means A as a center there. This is 3 centimeter, so here it is 3 centimeter. So black color already taken. So तुम लोगों का कंफ्यूजन दूर करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे और एक दूसरे कलर से कर रहा हूँ, कंफ्यूज्ड मत होना. Can you see, this is the arc for drawing 120 degree angle, and this is the arc for drawing 3 centimeter, means cutting 3 centimeter, and this is also 3 na. So at the point A also again you have to cut 3 centimeter. So now I am going to cut it. This. Can you see the violet color? So there, this is the point B. Why? Because AB is 3 centimeter. I have cut 3 centimeter. So that red and the violet color, this is B point, not black and red. And there is also, this is C. Join B and C. I am doing it directly. You have to use the scale and join these 2 points. You know how to join it. So from the point B, I have to join points. So now we have got the triangle. Now I have to draw angle bisector. No, so angle bisector, for that now what you have to do, first you have to cut this kind of arc. Already it is taken for drawing 120 degree. I have already taken now, so no need to do another arc. So what to do? Listen it carefully. I am going to show you here as a rough work. This is the angle 120 degree. What you are going to do? You are going to do a arc that intersect both the side, this point and this point. Suppose this is X and this is Y. This is the X point and this is Y point. Okay na? So now at the point X again you have to cut here. At the point Y also you have to cut here. Then extend it. Chalo, let us show you here. This, taking any radius, you have to cut like this, and same radius now this time cut here. You'll get this. It is nearly your angle bisector. I am doing it roughly. So now join A and this angle bisector point. Have you noticed one thing? They are already black color. This one already taken as an arc. So this and this point, putting the compass at the point at the black color or violet color also you can put it over there. Okay na? Now take any measurement or any radius, then cut over here, and taking, now you cannot change the radius. Taking same measurement like 4.5 I have taken, put the center at this and cut it. Can you see that black color? This is the point and this is the point A. So chalo, let me write this P. Okay, this is P. Suppose P point. Join A and P. You will get the angle bisector. So use the scale. Use scale. Here it is. Put it properly. Don't be in hurry. I think now okay. Now we are going to draw angle bisector. I am taking dotted line. Okay, you can draw just simple line. Can you see that? This is the angle bisector AP. So what they have told, draw the bisector of angle A. So now I am going to write the answer. Therefore triangle ABC is the required triangle. Done. Now draw the angle bisector and चलो and लिख देता हूँ and AP is the angle bisector of the angle A. Got it? So this is our required construction. I hope you all understood. So मैंने बहुत टाइम लेके अच्छे से इसको एक्सप्लेन करा है. I hope तुम लोगों को समझ में आ गया है. So that's it for today. In my next class I am going to do question number 3.
How was that? अच्छा लगा ना? If you like that, at least one thumbs up I need. So please like it if you really think that it is helpful for you. So please like that button. And one more thing, still if you have not subscribed to this channel, so please subscribe it. And तब तक के लिए क्या कहूँ? Goodbye. उसके पहले एक बात कहना है. Take care and goodbye.